What if your Android phone could write emails, solve homework, design graphics, edit photos, even become your personal assistant? In this video, we're counting down the 10 best AI Android apps that can completely transform how you work, study, and create in 2026. Make sure to stay until number 1 because it's the AI app millions of people use every single day. Starting at number 10, Elsa Speak. This AI pronunciation coach analyzes your speech in real time and gives you instant feedback. It's like having a personal English tutor in your pocket 24/7. The AI detects even the smallest accent issues and shows you exactly how to fix them. Perfect for anyone wanting to sound more confident speaking English. And the best part? The free version gives you enough daily practice to actually see improvement. Number 9. Photo Room. This app uses AI to remove backgrounds from any photo in literally 1 second. But it doesn't stop there. It automatically adds professional shadows, creates studio-quality lighting, and even generates AI backgrounds that match your product perfectly. Sellers, content creators, anyone making thumbnails, this is a game changer. The AI understands context, so it knows the difference between hair and background, glasses and sky. It's scary good. Number 8. Otter.ai. This AI transcription tool doesn't just record meetings, it understands them. It identifies different speakers, highlights action items, and generates summaries automatically. Students use it for lectures, professionals for meetings, journalists for interviews. The AI is so accurate, it even picks up technical terms and proper names. And here's the kicker. You can search through your entire conversation history like it's a Google Doc. Never take manual notes again. Number 7. Replica. This isn't just a chatbot. It's an AI companion that learns your personality, remembers your preferences, and grows with you. Whether you need someone to talk to at 3 a.m., want to practice social skills, or just need a judgment-free zone, Replica adapts to you. The AI uses advanced emotional intelligence to provide support, motivation, or just casual conversation. And with AR mode, you can actually see your AI friend in your room. It's weirdly comforting and surprisingly human. Number 6. Lensa AI. Remember those viral AI avatar photos? This is the app that started it all. Upload 10 to 20 selfies and watch the AI generate hundreds of stunning portraits in different styles, from fantasy warrior to corporate professional to anime character. But beyond the magic avatars, the AI retouching is incredibly natural. It enhances without making you look fake, fixes lighting issues, and even adjusts backgrounds intelligently. One warning though, you'll never look at your regular selfies the same way again. Number 5. Notion AI. This isn't just an AI writer. It's your entire productivity system on steroids. Brainstorm ideas, write essays, summarize meetings, translate languages, fix grammar, and even automate your workflows. The AI understands context across your entire workspace, so it knows your projects, your style, and your goals. Students use it for research, writers for drafting, teams for documentation, and it integrates seamlessly with regular Notion, so you're not switching between apps. It's like having a research assistant, editor, and organizer rolled into one. Number 4. Microsoft Copilot. Here's the deal. You're getting GPT-4, DALL-E 3 image generation, and real-time web search, completely free. No subscription, no paywall. The AI can analyze images, write code, create stunning visuals from text, and browse the current web for accurate information. It's connected to Bing's search engine, so you're not limited to training data from 2 years ago. Plus, your conversations sync across devices. This is basically ChatGPT Plus features without the $20 monthly fee. Microsoft is playing chess while others play checkers. Number 3. Grammarly Keyboard. This AI doesn't just check your grammar, it upgrades your entire communication game. It works in every app: WhatsApp, Instagram, email, Twitter, everywhere you type. The AI suggests better vocabulary, adjusts your tone based on context, catches awkward phrasing, and even detects if you sound too aggressive or too passive. The premium version includes a plagiarism checker and advanced style suggestions. But here's what's crazy. It learns your writing style over time and gets better at understanding your voice. It's like having an English professor looking over your shoulder 24/7. Number 2. Google Gemini. This is Google's most advanced AI, and it's deeply integrated into everything Android. It can read your emails and summarize them, analyze your photos with natural language, help you write in any app, and even understand screenshots. The multimodal AI processes text, images, and voice simultaneously. Ask it to find that recipe screenshot my mom sent last week, and it actually works. It's integrated with Google Workspace, so it can draft emails, create docs, and organize your calendar. And unlike other AIs, it has real-time access to your Google data, securely and privately. This is the AI assistant Android was always meant to have. Number 1. ChatGPT. Of course, but here's why it's still on top in 2026. The official Android app now has voice mode that feels like talking to a real person. GPT 4o for multimodal understanding, custom GPTs for specialized tasks, and memory that actually remembers what matters. You can show it a photo of your fridge and get recipe ideas, upload a PDF and get instant summaries, have it write and debug code, or just talk through complex problems. The AI understands context better than ever, and with features like advanced data analysis and web browsing, it's not just a chatbot, it's a thinking partner. The free version is powerful, but even the Plus subscription at $20 per month pays for itself if you use it daily. This is the app that started the AI revolution, and it's still leading the pack. Let's quickly recap the 10 best AI Android apps of 2026. 10. Elsa Speak. Improve your English pronunciation with AI-powered coaching. 9. Photo Room. Instantly remove backgrounds and create professional quality images. 8. Otter.ai. Record, transcribe, and summarize meetings automatically. 7. Replica. Your AI companion for meaningful conversations and emotional support. 6. Lensa AI. Create stunning AI-enhanced selfies and edit photos effortlessly. 5. Notion AI. Write, summarize, brainstorm, and organize your work in one place. 4. Microsoft Copilot. Get AI assistance for writing, coding, research, and productivity. 3rd, Grammarly. Write with confidence using AI grammar, spelling, and tone suggestions. 2nd, Google Gemini. Google's powerful AI assistant for search, creativity, and everyday tasks. 1st, ChatGPT. The ultimate all-around AI app for writing, learning, coding, brainstorming, and getting answers on almost anything. Which AI Android app is your favorite? Did we miss one that deserves a spot on the list? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, productivity tips, and technology updates that help you work smarter and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.